Frustrated with tangled hoses and noisy compressors? Check out our top 6 cordless nailers of 2024. We've ranked the best models, covering pros, cons, and ideal uses for every skill level. Let's dive in. Starting off our list in the 6th spot, we have the WEN 2512. For the DIYer on a budget, this cordless brad nailer is a tempting choice. It features a compact design, dual LED lights, and the convenience of a cordless setup. It drives 18-gauge brad nails between 3/4 inch and 2 inches, which covers most light carpentry and furniture assembly tasks. And let's not forget, it's priced at around $130, making it one of the most affordable options on our list. But here's the thing, you get what you pay for. While the WEN is great for small projects, it lacks the firing speed and precision needed for professional jobs. At higher workloads, its weight, combined with a lack of balance, can quickly tire your arm. The tool's LED lights are helpful but not the brightest, so visibility might still be an issue in darker workspaces. For occasional users or beginners looking to save cash, it's a decent pick. But if you're after efficiency or long-term reliability, it falls short compared to the competition. Sliding into 5th place, we have the CRAFTSMAN 618, a solid offering from a brand known for its reliability. This tool is part of the CRAFTSMAN V20 system, making it a great option if you're already invested in their ecosystem. The cordless design and consistent firing power in various climates make it perfect for tasks like trim and baseboard installations. What's holding it back from the top spots? The lack of a bump firing mode is a drawback for speed-intensive jobs. While it performs well for smaller tasks, it struggles when pushed to its limits, such as continuous use or working with harder woods. That said, its price point and straightforward usability make it an excellent choice for DIYers or homeowners who need a dependable nailer for occasional projects. Coming in 4th is the Makita XN-B02, and let me tell you, this tool screams durability and power. It can fire up to 1,000 nails on a single charge using a 5.0 amp-hour battery, making it perfect for longer projects. It's designed for 16-gauge nails, which gives it a bit more versatility compared to the brad nailers lower on our list. It's a fantastic choice for professionals handling trim work, crown molding, or baseboards. So why isn't it ranked higher? Well, it's on the heavier side, weighing about 7.5 pounds with the battery. That heft can slow you down, especially during overhead work or all-day use. Additionally, some users report a slight delay in firing, which could interrupt your workflow. At $300 for the bare tool, it's a premium option, but for those already committed to the Makita ecosystem, it's a reliable addition to your toolkit. In 3rd place, we have the Ryobi P330, a nailer that lives up to its name with airstrike technology. This eliminates the need for compressors and hoses while delivering professional-grade performance. It drives 15-gauge nails, ranging from 1 to 2.5 inches, making it ideal for heavier-duty trim work and door installations. And here's the kicker, it can fire up to 750 nails per charge with a 4 amp-hour battery. That's efficiency you can count on. What holds it back from the top? Its weight is a common complaint. It's heavier than most models, which can lead to fatigue. Also, while Ryobi tools are excellent for DIY and pros on a budget, they don't quite match the premium durability of higher-end brands. But if you're in the Ryobi One Plus ecosystem and need a powerful finish nailer, the P330 is hard to beat. Taking 2nd place is the DEWALT 680, a cordless brad nailer that combines power, precision, and convenience. Its brushless motor ensures longer runtime and smooth performance, making it ideal for trim carpentry, casing, and decorative molding. With tool-free jam release, depth adjustment, and sequential bump firing modes, it's designed for seamless operation. And the cherry on top? It's lightweight and ergonomically balanced, but no tool is perfect. While the DEWALT is a top-tier brad nailer, it's limited to 18-gauge nails, which restricts its use to lighter applications. It's also on the pricier side, especially when you factor in the cost of batteries if you're not already using the DEWALT's 20V max system. Still, its reliability and ease of use make it an excellent choice for professionals and serious DIYers alike. And the crown for the best cordless nailer of 2024 goes to the Worx Nitro 841. This tool is an absolute powerhouse, delivering 25% more power and 50% longer runtime thanks to its high-efficiency brushless motor. It fires 16-gauge nails up to 2.5 inches long, making it versatile enough for everything from cabinetry to heavy-duty trim work. The dual LED lights and narrow nose design give you pinpoint accuracy, even in tight spots. What truly sets the Nitro apart is its balance of power, performance, and price. At around $180, it offers incredible value for its feature set. While it's slightly heavier than some competitors, its ergonomic design mitigates fatigue even during extended use. If you're looking for a finish nailer that can handle demanding projects without breaking the bank, this is the one to beat. So there you have it, the top 6 cordless nailers of 2024 ranked and reviewed. If you're an occasional DIYer, tools like the CRAFTSMAN or Wen nailers offer great value for smaller projects. But if you're serious about woodworking or need a professional grade tool, the DEWALT and Worx Nitro are unbeatable choices. Which nailer caught your eye? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and rankings. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to your tools, never settle for less than the best.